In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing a small business or keeping track of your personal finances, QuickBooks is a powerful tool that makes handling financial data a breeze. Let's dive into the process and make sure you can effortlessly keep track of every payment method you use. First, you'll need to access QuickBooks Online. If you don't have an account yet, head over to QuickBooks and sign up. It's a straightforward process and you'll be guided through setting up your new account. For those who are already signed up, simply click on the Sign In button for QuickBooks Online. Enter your account credentials when prompted and then click on Continue after entering your password to move forward into the platform. Next, you'll be prompted to select the company file you wish to work with. This is especially important if you manage multiple accounts or businesses. Once you've made your selection, head over to your dashboard where you'll find an overview of your recent activities, accounts, and financial data. From the dashboard, look towards the upper corner to locate the Settings menu. This menu is your gateway to customizing and managing different features of QuickBooks. Upon clicking Settings, you'll see a list of options. Select All Lists from this menu to access various lists that you can modify or add to. Now focus on finding Payment Methods and click it. This is where you'll manage the different ways you accept and record payments in QuickBooks. Once you're in the Payment Methods section, click on the New button to add a payment method. You'll need to decide on the type of payment you're dealing with by selecting the appropriate option from a drop-down. Options include cash, check, credit card, and other, depending on how you anticipate receiving payments. Now you'll need to enter the name of the payment method. For instance, if you're adding Visa or PayPal, type this into the payment method name field. This name will help you identify and keep track of different transactions efficiently. After inputting the method name, ensure you select the correct category from the drop-down menu. Categorizing these transactions accurately is crucial as it impacts how transactions are logged and reported, making future bookkeeping easier and clearer. Finally, hit the Save button to add your new payment method. It's a simple step, but an important one to ensure your records are updated. I hope this walkthrough was helpful and makes the process of organizing your financial data in QuickBooks a bit easier. Feel free to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher. Until next time, happy bookkeeping and stay on top of those finances.